Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a swipe, circular swipe, and then I'm going to get my catalyst tool and go over it. Let's see what we get. I'm going to use some purple today, purple and gold. I know I've been doing a lot of turquoise lately, but need to change it up. So I think what I'll do is I'll put some colors in the middle and then I'll swipe around in a circle. This one is Lavender Frost by DecoArt. Just going to do and I got some dioxazine purple, Liquitex Basics. Some gold, 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. I find the little bottles harder to squeeze. Okay. Black cell activator. This should be good. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Ask me a question. Okay, let's see what we get here. Whoa. Oh, I missed a spot. Darn. I guess I didn't pull this out enough. Not much comes through in the middle. Yeah. I'll blow up. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's not too bad. I'll give it a bit of a spin. All right. Cool. Oh, that's very cool. I like it. I like it. There you go. Let's see if it's moving. Okay, I like this. Love it. I'm gonna leave it and let it dry. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And these are my bloom paint recipes in the description under the video. Have a good day.